Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw an adorable little dinosaur. That's right, we're going to draw a dinosaur step by step. Dinosaurs are cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start with the dinosaur's head. Let's start by drawing a round head with a circle. Next, let's add another round oval underneath the head for the dinosaur's body. If you like, you can have really big feet or really small feet for your dinosaur. Let's draw 2 small feet on the bottom, with some zigzag lines for its toes. Of course, there is the tail for the dinosaur too. Next, let's draw some round spikes down the dinosaur's back. You can do larger or tiny spikes if you like. I will add 2 small dots for the eyes. You can choose to draw larger and rounder eyes too. Isn't it so cute already? You can also add in some eyebrows to help the dinosaur better express its emotions. I'm going to use my pink marker to add some blush to the dinosaur's cheeks. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Next, I'll draw 2 round circles to mark the bottom of its feet. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I will start by coloring the dinosaur's body. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Feel free to change up the little dinosaur's color and use other colors besides green, maybe a purple or even a rainbow dinosaur. You can also repeat this drawing again and do a whole family of dinosaurs. You can have a mommy dinosaur and some more baby dinosaur as well. Next, I will use my darker green to color in the spikes on its back. Wow, look at our amazing little dinosaur. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, You can also add some background, such as a sun or even a rainbow. Use your imagination and fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the little dinosaur. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.